All right, so if you're like me, then you have pressed the play key by accident on your Mac many times, and it opens Apple Music for some reason. There's finally a way around this, and that is to install music-decoy. This basically does nothing besides prevent Apple Music from opening when you press the play key by accident. So let's get this installed. Okay, so this is before I've configured music-decoy, and pressing the play button opens Apple Music. Let's see what happens when I open this up. Okay, cool. So it does nothing as expected. Yeah, super simple. Just install it, download it, drag it to your applications, and then open music-decoy. And then it's not going to open Apple Music anymore. If you are comfortable with the command line, you can use brew to install it. And you can also even configure other apps to open when you press play. So hopefully that helps.